In this lecture, we will be dealing with what is matter, elements, and compounds. Along with it, we will be discussing about what makes a mixture, etc. Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. It may be found in any one of three states: solid, liquid, or gas. Examples of matter include the air we breathe, the water we drink, the clothing we wear, and ourselves. Matter may be either an element or a compound. An element is the basic building block of nature. It is a substance that cannot be reduced to a simpler substance by chemical means. The chemical combination of two or more elements is called a compound. A compound can be separated by chemical but not by physical means. Examples of compounds are water, which consists of hydrogen and oxygen, and salt, which consists of sodium and chlorine. The smallest part of the compound that still retains the properties of the compound is called a molecule. A molecule is the chemical combination of two or more atoms. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that retains the characteristics of the element. The physical combination of elements and compounds is called a mixture. Examples of mixture are air, which is made up of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and other gases, and salt water, which consists of salt and water.